happy Thursday to all of us, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this all of us. So thank you for the 2 new subscriber. Thank you very much talaga. And God bless us all. So now I start already cooking for the lunch box of Sisi. And for the breakfast, I start already for, if I'm not mistaken, it's for 4:15. I am already in the kitchen. Okay, so that's what we do. Ayan, nag-ready. Nag-ready. Marami akong kalat. Ganun talaga ang buhay dito. Ilo-ilo, kunin mo dyan sa pinto. Aray ko. Ayan ako siya dyan. Para ano. Para ano ba yan? Okay lang. I'm just cleaning my hands. Don't worry. I will dig already. Okay. So ayan na. And then isak-isak natin para minimize yung oil ko para kay Sisi. Okay. So we start. Okay. So ayan. As of what I'm telling, thank you very much for giving me time. Thank you for my families that I have. Thank you for more blessings. Thank you for everything that we have. To the family of Madam Sams, to the family husband of Madam Sams. That is plan of God. God knows everything. The whole of our life that we are still living in this earth. Ganun talaga yung buhay natin. Lahat yung ay nakakadepende sa iyo ay gusto ng Panginoon. Para sa atin. Kaya God provide everything to the whole families of my Madam and Sarah and to my whole family that I have. Okay. Okay lang pag naghawak ko yung kasi nga naman, hugas naman din ako na kamay. I'm washing my hands. Okay? It's okay. Kaya that's all. And to my whole families, both side ng mother and father ko, in our hometown, kasama na lahat na nandoon, na nabilong sa bawat baryos. Yung iba naman, they are working already in the another countries to find their own job, their own source of income with their own families na. And to my brother, good luck, and more blessings. And God provide everything to my sister-in-laws, my mga niece, apo-apo sa turod, mga apo-apo sa mga relatives, mga cousins, and not only of us, to all people in this world. I can't mention now one by one because it's more than already what I have. Especially also in my channel, mga subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. Thank you so much talaga. And especially also to those people, some blogger that you're still helping and continue supporting my channel, and to my relatives, to my cousins. Thank you so much, mga friends, mga co-workers, lahat na nga eh. Kasama na nga yung sinasabi kong general, all of them. are still watching. Okay? Ang GC, bye-bye. Baka over ano naman yan. Lose batteries na. Okay, yala, bye-bye. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. 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 And thank you, thank you, thank you.